In this video, I will demonstrate how to create a simple HTTP server in Node.js that responds with hello, then my full name instead of classic hello world. The first step, we need to open the Node.js command prompt or our command prompt, and now I'll navigate to the folder where my main.js file is located. In my case, I have it saved on the desktop, then my documents folder, then to my node folder. So I'll type cd, then the path of my folder to change my directory. Then click enter. Then the next step, I will open my main.js file in my code editor. Ngayon, susulat ako ng code to create the server and make it response with hello, then my full name. So, ang una natin gagawin, i-import natin ang HTTP module na built-in sa Node.js. Gamit ito, makakagawa tayo ng HTTP server. Input lang natin ang var, then HTTP, equals, then require HTTP. Then next step, code lang natin tong HTTP dot create server. Create server dito, we use http.createServer to create a server. This method takes a function as an argument. May kasama itong function na tumatanggap ng dalawang parameters, which is ito ay yung request at response. Ang server na ito ay naghihintay ng request mula sa mga clients, tapos tayo ang nagpapadala ng response. We are sending an HTTP header with response.writeHead. Ipapadala natin ang HTTP header gamit ang response.writeHead, at ang unang argument ay ang status code 200, ibig sabihin ay okay. Ang pangalawang argument ay ang header na nagsasaad ng mga content na ipapadala natin ay plain text. Input lang natin tong response, then write head, then 200, at ang ibig sabihin nito ay okay. Then content type. Dito naman, tinatapos na natin ang response at nagpapadala tayo ng text na hello, then my name, my full name. Type lang natin tong response. .end. Then sunod dito, input lang natin itong dot listen. Then 80. This line tells the server to start listening for incoming requests on port 8081. This means the server will respond to requests made to HTTP server. Sinasabi ng line na ito sa server na magsimulang makinig sa port 8001. Ang ibig sabihin, mag-response or magre-respond ang server sa request sa mga request na ginagamit papunta sa HTTP. Then this line simply prints a message to the terminal or to our console, indicating that the server is running, or indicating that the server is up and running. You can now visit HTTP in the browser to see the result. Natin to. Then, pwede din natin gamitin tong command prompt. Navigate lang natin yung path ng ating folder, then input this node, then the main or our file name main.js, then enter. And this is all about simple HTTP server in Node. And this is all about how to create a simple HTTP server in Node.js that responds with hello then my full name.